Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make green Tulsi tea. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, and let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan, and to this add 2 cups of water. Take 1 pack of Green Tulsi Tea Bag. It contains green tea, tulsi leaves, lemon peel and ginger. When the water comes to a boil, add the green Tulsi tea bag to the water. Let this boil for 2 minutes in high flame. Green tea is very high in antioxidants, protects your liver, boosts brain function, prevents from cancer, promotes heart health, helps to lose weight, and it is very easy to prepare. Tulsi leaf is a natural immunity booster, reduces fever, reduces cold, cough and other respiratory disorders, reduces stress and blood pressure, has anti-cancer properties and good for your heart. Lemon peel has high nutritional values, supports oral health, high in antioxidants, has antifungal properties, boosts your immune system, promotes heart health, has anti-cancer properties and treats gallstone. Ginger is again a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this green Tulsi tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the green tea, tulsi, lemon peel and ginger has come together very well. Then off the flame and remove the tea bag. Finally add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, serve the green Tulsi tea nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this green Tulsi tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.